Welcome back, Amit. The Doklam standoff, the provocations by China have now stooped to a new low. China has now issued a fresh threat, saying what would India do if China enters Kashmir or Kalapani region in Uttarakhand. Wang Wenli of China's Ministry of Foreign Affairs, while briefing an Indian media delegation, said, and I quote, that the Indian side has also many tri-junctions. What if we use the same excuse and enter the Kalapani region between China, India and Nepal, or even into the Kashmir region between India and Pakistan? Meanwhile, a state-run channel in China has broadcast fresh images of Chinese military drills by PLA's Sirius commandos to issue a warning to India. My colleague Shiv Arora joining us. Shiv, tell us about the latest threat of China to intrude. Once again, the dragon bearing fangs.
Well, this is only the very latest in China's literally non-stop campaign of intimidation, threat, an innuendo that it's been employing to play these mind games with India in a very violent, a very aggressive fashion over the last 50 to 60 days since the Doklam standoff actually began. While most of this warmongering has been done through its, state-owned media channels and newspapers, the government has periodically been testing the waters with its own brand of warmongering. This time it's gone to the next level, where you've got someone from a very important ministry in China, this particular individual, who's gone on to say that there is no excuse for Indian soldiers being on so-called Chinese territory, even though we know that it is Bhutanese territory. And it actually, this individual actually explicitly threatens to use this tri-junction formula, as they call it, to intrude into Uttarakhand, to intrude into Kashmir, and to intrude into the other tri-junctions that India actually has with other countries. So this is, a belligerent, explicit show of aggression by China, where they've basically, mincing no words, by a government official, said that if you don't remove your troops from this particular tri-junction, we will do the same in a different tri-junction. So as far as the words of warmongering is concerned, China is obviously taking it to the next level. They're obviously coupling it and bolstering it with video after video of military exercises. They've put out a fresh video of a special forces exercise in one part of China as well. It may or may not be aimed at the Tibet region, but we do know on August 4th there was a high-level military exercise that took place on the Tibetan plateau. So make no mistake, all the military all the military movements in the area, southern China and the Tibet region, are definitely aimed at this increasing tension right now with India.